Hello everyone, this is Discord Limited Tutorials Part 5, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the new Discord console avatar decoration without having a physical console. And before we start, I want to quickly note that this is only available until July 9th, 2024, so as of the date of posting this video, you only have about 4 days left to grab this avatar decoration for yourself. So the very first step when you're on your Discord account is to go into your user settings here. And as you can see, we're already getting advertised for the quest. I just logged into this account and I'm already getting advertised for the quest here to click accept. But before we do that, we want to make sure that our account is connected. So let's go to the user settings here and then navigate to the connections tab. And as you can see, there's a long list of different connections that you can connect to Discord. But the ones we're going to be focusing on will be PlayStation and Xbox, as those are the ones that you would need in order to complete this quest. But in this video, we're showing you how to do it without having a physical console on you, and that is to use the Xbox connection. So firstly, we'll click on the Add a Connection Xbox, and then once you click on that, we'll click Continue, and then we'll click Continue to sign in with your Xbox account. Once you click Continue, you'll be brought to the main Microsoft sign-in page, and then from there you could sign into your Microsoft account. And once you're signed in, it'll bring you to this page that says Connected your Xbox account to Discord. So once you see this page, you can officially close it, and you now know that your account is connected. Once you go back to Discord, it'll say that Xbox wants access to your Discord account. It'll show the different things that it wants access to, and then all you have to do is click Authorize and Continue. So now we can see that my Xbox account is connected officially with Discord. And if you'd like, you could always turn off the display on profile and display Xbox as your status if you don't want people to know that it is connected to your account and you just like it to have it like connected in the background. Now that we know that our account is connected, we could go to the gift inventory page and we could see the console gaming quest here. And then we click, first we click accept quest. And then once we do that, it says that there's a check for launches button, so you could check once your game is launched on your connected console. And then it'll show your percentage here. Now, of course, if I check for launches right now, it'll say game not detected because, well, we don't have anything on. And it says Xbox account exceeds speed, or my name seems to be offline, so it knows that I'm not online right now, so we have to fix that. So all you're going to do is go to your search bar and go to xbox.com. Once you're on the website and you know that you're signed in, there'll be a few steps we have to do to get to the right page. So the first step is you'll hover over the Game Pass tab, and you'll go down to the very bottom and click Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta. And then once you're here, you'll scroll down a little bit and click Ways to Play. And then once you're here, you'll click Play Now, Xbox.com. And all it will do is just take you to xbox.com/en-ca/play, but that's just how you do it from the main website. And then once you're here, all you're going to do is go to the search bar and then search up Fortnite, and then click on Fortnite. And as you can see, there's going to be a button that says Play, and this is Cloud Gaming Beta. So this is basically you're playing from the cloud, so you don't have to wait however long to install Fortnite just to stream a game from the Xbox website. So now literally all you're going to do is just click Play, and then this little screen will open and it'll open up Fortnite very slowly, but that's not important. All that's important is that if you go back to Discord, we could see that, look at this. So now the checking button went away, and we can see the progress is actually going up. Then once that is full, you will have a button that says claim reward, of course, and once you click that, then you could view your reward, and you could see my reward here. This is on my other account, and you can see that I accepted the reward, and you can now use it, although you can only use it for the next 2 months, similar to how they did the clown decoration, but it's still 2 months for a pretty cool avatar decoration for completely free. So in that case, though, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was a quick one, but I wanted to get this out as quickly as possible before the time runs out for you to get this, especially considering this one is completely free and you don't even have to install any game or anything at all or stream anything to get it. So in that case, though, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. We're going for 500 subscribers, as well as please join the Discord server. It'll be in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.